again going this way. I'm not giving up. I'm going to Redemption Island here. Damn it!
It's just the ground clearance issue, yeah.
Welcome back, friends. We're picking up right where we left off in the last video. The Mudwife was determined to do this mud hole all on her own. Check it out.
All I did was I just lifted the machine a bit, and that was it. Yeah. Try either side. There she goes. There you go. Find that traction. Keep it looking at it. Not too much. Yeah. Get yourself reset. Got her. Get her. There, use that leg. That's it. You're so close. Here we go. Here we go. Now what are you gonna try?
Just to go fast.
Let me know if you want to give me a hand.
I'm not giving up.
I didn't say you had to. She got a smile on her face.
Got a sweat going on.
Got a sweat going on. It's hot. It's getting hot out. Oh.
Who's gonna clean this machine?
You can clean it if you don't get out yourself. You're cleaning it. I got the fair deal. There you go. There you go. That's really good. A little more than a few minutes later. You were so close before and you worked your way all the way back. See, these other people have come back already. Father-daughter time. Okay, Tracy, talk to me. What's going on? There you go. Yeah. Yeah, that moved. Yeah. Bring it down. You're in your teeth. Oh yeah, this is how you figure things out. I like that idea, yeah. Yeah. She's kind of stubborn, you know, which is, it's good in some ways. In this case, it's really important.
Okay, I did it. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating.
I know, that's work. let's take a break and get some water, and yeah, you worked her. The funny thing is, like 10 minutes before that, when you're almost in that same position over there, I was trying to get you to go, okay, switch over to the right side of the machine now, but then you decided to go back, and that's exactly how you figured it out though. Good stuff. That was awesome.
That took a lot of energy. I wish my Fitbit would calculate those calories that I just expended.
Wow, she really worked her butt off to get through that mud hole. Super proud of her. It was time to get back on the trail and head to the next spot that we could play in.
Sit back, enjoy the ride. We're on our way. One track, no turning back. Yesterday, unknown destination, aiming for the sky. So high, so high, so high. Killing frustration, we're doing it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the tide and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line.
It looks worse than it is. Don't be shy. Give her the beans. Yeah! She's gonna try it the other way. Austin Powers turnaround.
So I found a deep spot here that took a little bit of work with the Renegade, so I wasn't about to let her struggle. She worked hard enough already today. So we hopped off the main trail and headed down this steep, tree-lined descent. Then down another steep hill, which I know she wouldn't enjoy, but getting to the bottom would be worth it.
Yeah, see? I know. Okay, now do it again. Yeah! That was awesome. Yeah, just let off the gas and it'll go back down. Or you hit the brake.
She has come so far in a short period of time. I'm super proud of her. So for comparison, why don't you watch her first mud riding video right now? I'll see you in the next one.